Hi, my name is Muhammad Akif Amshah. I want to explain about compound interest. Question 1. Explain briefly on the concept of compound interest and list of formula S that can be used in compound interest. Compound interest is an interest calculated on the initial principal, which also including all the accumulated interest from previous period. In simple terms, compound interest can be defined as interest you earn on interest. Compound interest formula. Future value S is for S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. Next, compound interest I is for I equal S plus P. And the last one is present value. P is for P equal S bracket 1 plus I bracket and power negative N.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin ID Aznan. I'm going to present question 2A. The question is, RM 28,725 was deposited in a saving account with the interest rate of K%, compounded monthly. After 5 years, the accumulated amount in the account was RM 22,529.64. Find the value of K. The formula will be used in question 2A is future value, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. S is RM 32,529.64. P is RM 28,725. I equal K per M, which is K per 12. N equal MT, which is 5 multiplied by 12. So the solution is 32,529.64 equal 28,725 in bracket 1 plus K per 12 close bracket the power of 16. The answer will be K equal 3%. Question 2B. Isma had a fund worth RM 50,000 and planned to invest the money in two different schemes. Scheme A pay 5% compounded every 4 months and Scheme B pay 3% compounded semi-annually. Considering 7 years of investment, which scheme give more profit to him? So we're gonna calculate the difference of the scheme A and Scheme B. The scheme A will be used the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. P equal 50,000, I equal K per M, which is 0.05 over 3, N equal MT, which is 3 multiplied 7. So the calculation is S equal 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 3 close bracket the power of 21. The answer will be S equal 70,749. For the scheme B, we will use the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. P equal 50,000, I equal K per M, which is 0.03 over 2, N equal MT, which is 2 multiplied 7. So the calculation gonna be S equal 50,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.03 over 2 close bracket the power of 14. The answer will be S equal 61,587.79. So the scheme A give more profit to him.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Umar bin Muhammad Sharif and I will present question 3, which is introduction of annuity. I will explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formulas. So, what is annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payments made usually at equal intervals of time. In an ordinary annuity setting, we will discuss an annuity setting for which payments are made at the end of each payment period. In each case, equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. There are three examples of annuity. The first one is shop rental, and the second one is insurance policy, and the last one is installment payment. So next we go to the formula. Formula of present value is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket plus I close bracket power of negative n over I close bracket. So the formula of future value is S equals to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n negative n over I close bracket. The terms used in formulas stand for S equals future value, A stands for present value, R stands for periodic payment, I is interest rate per interest period, and stands for term of investment.
Sharif deposit RM 26,519 and 59 cent in an account. He was offered 4% monthly compound interest at the end of each month. How long can he withdraw RM 250 from the account at the end of each month if he started doing so at the beginning of this year? 26,590.59 cent equal 250. Bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 bracket power negative 12 bracket t bracket. 26,519.59 cent per 250 divide 0.04 per 12 equal open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1.003 close bracket power negative 12 t close bracket. Negative 0.6464 equal negative open bracket 1.0033 close bracket power negative 12 t. Log 0.6464 equal negative 12 t log 1.0033. The last one, 132.44 per 12 equal t. The answer is t equal 11.
So we go to the example question. Question 4b. Sulaiman bought a house by making a down payment of 52,000 ringgit. The balance was borrowed from a bank which charged interest of 6.5% compounded monthly for 25 years with monthly payment of 987.60 cents. First one, find the amount of the loan. A equals 987.60 cents ringgit. I equals K over M. We got 0.065 over 12. N equals to M multiplied T, which is 12 multiplied 25. We got 300. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12 close bracket power of negative 300 over 0.065 over 12 close bracket. So equals we got 987.60 cent multiply in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12 close bracket power of negative 300 over 0.065 over 12 close bracket. So the answers we get 146,201.06 cents. The second question is calculated the interest paid for the loan. I equals N multiply R minus A. 300 multiply 987.60 cent minus 146,201.6 cent. So the answer is Rn 149,946.94 cent. So the last question is, if Sulaiman failed to make the first 7 payments, how much should he pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? So the solution is S equal R multiply in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. So equal 987.60 cent multiply in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12 power of 8 minus 1 over 0.065 over 12 close bracket. So the answer is SRM 8048.63 cent.